Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. One of the biggest serviced appliances we experience is an ice maker. And with an ice maker, if you are not maintaining and cleaning your ice maker, you will have service problems. So I'm going to show you how to clean a SubZero ice maker, and you really should follow the guidelines of your own ice maker to make sure that it runs optimally. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make sure that we take all of the ice out. So we've emptied this bin, and then we're going to hit the clean button, and then we're going to wait for that to flash. Once that flashes, then we're going to start our cleaning process with the solutions. So first thing it's going to say is add 4 ounces of your ice machine cleaner to something you can pour into the area. Now you can use like a small funnel. I actually am just going to use the actual bottle itself. What's interesting is that there's these little marks here. This is 4 ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just to about that point, okay? So inside, these are the shutters that they were talking about, and they want the solution to go up in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour in there, kind of see just a little bit more. All right, we're good to go there. And then it says hit the clean button. So I'm going to hit the clean button. Okay. Okay, and then what it will be is it'll be a 2-minute harvest cycle that if there's any ice in there, it'll go ahead and harvest that out. And then anything left over, we're going to go back into our bin and just remove out. So we're going to let that go through. So in the meantime, we are going to clean our condenser unit underneath the machine and also the condenser unit on our beverage unit, which is right next to it. But look at that. I mean, up inside here, I mean, that is a lot. And then you put your hand up even further. So I'm going to get a long, skinny vacuum attachment, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum that out. So then what we're going to do is we're going to press our clean button again. We're going to wait till it flashes, and then we're going to add our sanitizer. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of the sanitizer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because our cleaning light is out. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay. So we'll wait for that to continue. We will press the clean cycle again. We're going to wait 3 minutes until it flashes. So now that the cleaning cycle light is off, it's complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get some hot water. I'm going to just pour it at the bottom just to kind of make sure there's no residual chemicals in. So I have the replacement SubZero water filter, and in the box they give you the instructions. So it's pretty straightforward. Turn the power off. It's going to say rotate the filter a quarter turn counterclockwise and remove. I'm going to just grab a paper towel just to make sure there's no residual water on it. A quarter turn and pull it out. Not much water, but there is a little bit of water, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty, so it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to put the new filter in, line it up, turn it a quarter turn to the right, make sure there's no residual water. You got to make sure that's in tight too. Turn the power on. After 3 minutes, we're going to turn the power off on this, just like it says. And then we're going to turn the power back on, and then we're going to hold the clean button for 6 seconds to replace the filter indicator. So I'm going to turn off the power. It's been 3 minutes. Turn the unit to off, turn it back on. Hold the clean button for 6 seconds. There the light went out. I actually was counting a little too slow, but the replace filters light is done. We've replaced our filter, cleaned the ice maker, and doing the maintenance needed. If you have any questions, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Or go to donsappliances.com.